Hey again, welcome back to Coding with Drew. In this video, we're going to learn about shell variables. And shell-defined variables are similar to user-defined variables, but these ones you can't really edit. Shell-defined variables are always in all caps. So, for example, we can say echo $path. Now, you'll note that I am not using the curly brackets here. And now I'm doing this for demonstration purposes to show you that you can use echo $path with the curly brackets interchangeably when you're doing a parameter expansion on a variable. This is the officially endorsed method. This is shorthand and it works, but I caution against using it. Whenever possible, I would recommend using the curly brackets. Okay, so the path shell variable will output all of the places where bash will look for a command, and it starts from the left and they're colon separated. So it'll look in user local bin, then it'll look in user bin. Now, there's a couple other ones that we've learned as well. Look at home. Home is in all caps, and this will show you where your home directory is. And if you cd into tilde, you can also use pwd to see where you're at. And it shows you user/admin, and you could also cd into home, and it would still be the same directory. We learned user, so echo $. Maybe I haven't actually covered this one yet. In any case, user, and you can see that does the same thing as who am I, which we learned before. And now I want to teach you one of my favorite ones, which is, so if we echo $curly bracket PS1, and we'll see that this is showing you shell version and then a $, which is what you're looking at right here, bash dash 5.1 $. It doesn't look great like our ZSH terminal does, where it's got some color and it's a little bit more user friendly. So let's change that right now. So we already have a .bash rc file if you followed along in this course. And so what we're going to do is we're going to edit that file. So use the command code ~bash rc. In the notes section below this video, there should be a code snippet which you can copy, and I want you to paste that into this file. So I'm going to copy it right now. Now we're putting it in bash rc, not in our .profile, because .profile will load on any shell terminal that we load. So it's going to load on bash and it's going to load on ZSH. We only want this to load on bash, so that's why it's going in this file. So I'm just going to go to the bottom of the file. I'm going to say command V, and this whole thing is popped out. Now, the only thing that I would suggest that you edit on this is the T-Rex, and I'd recommend that you change both. So let's say you want to make it like a nerd symbol or something. Let's make it command control spacebar, and we'll make it the poop emoji. I use the poop emoji a lot. I like it. It's my favorite emoji. And let's replace that one. All right, now let's save it. And then in our bash terminal, we can load ZSH and then go back into bash, and we'll see that it now looks way better. And if we look at our directory and we go to dev, we can see that the path is always here, the clock is always showing, and this will help you keep track of commands that are running, because you can just look for the poop emoji where you typed in your last command, and it'll also be slightly colored. Now, the command that you just pasted in there, I don't want to break down just yet. There's a lot in it, and we're not quite there yet. We still haven't even unlocked half of the power that this little snippet that you just added in there will leverage, and we're gonna learn that in the next video when we break down Git. And you can edit that further and make it customized when you understand the code. But for now, let's focus on moving forward with performing math. I'll see you in the next video.